Here's how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat not installed on Steam games. Open Steam, go to Library, and find the problematic game. Right-click it, go to Manage, then browse Local Files. Inside the game folder, find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Double-click it and locate the Setup application. Right-click it, select Show More Options, then Send To, and choose Desktop to create a shortcut. Right-click the new desktop shortcut, select Properties, then the Shortcut tab. In the target field, click at the very end of the existing text, press space, then type install_prod-fn exactly. Click Apply, then OK. Right-click the shortcut again and select Run as Administrator. Confirm the pop-up and Easy Anti-Cheat will install automatically. Once finished, delete the shortcut and try launching the game again. If it still does not work, go back to Steam, right-click the game, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for it to finish, then restart your computer and launch the game again. It should now work correctly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.